Hello, my friends. Welcome, welcome. It's day 14, isn't it? Let's begin. How are you feeling? I wasn't able to do this routine early in the morning, and now it's closer to 11 o'clock. It's super hot, 93 degrees. I found a nice shadow under a big tree, and I hope I will survive. And you will too. Let's begin warming up those hips with nice circle motion all around. What's the plan for today? Well, today we're gonna do a little bit of everything. Reverse those hips to the other side. A little bit of everything. We'll basically put together some moves and maybe try taking them to the next level. And after that, the next week, more challenge coming your way, okay? This workout actually completes second week of your challenge. We are exactly in the middle now, and that sounds amazing. Let's begin with few squats, regular squats, dropping those hips down, pressing against our palms, and then opening arms back when we move up. On your exhale, squeeze, and then inhale, open your arms. Exhale, inhale. Ooh, it's so hot. I actually jumped out of the pool and my clothes are still wet. This was the only way I could exercise in this extreme heat, okay? If some of you are watching me from warmer climate where it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit or so, I want to remind you the humidity here is insane. So that's definitely adding into that challenge. And I love hot temperatures and hot summer, but exercising in the middle of the day is maybe not my favorite part, okay? Let's do 2 more squats. Exhale, inhale, and 1 more. Oh, there is like a breeze, windy breeze, which helps a bit here. Arms to the side, straight line. We're taking this one to the knee or down, 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 long neck, long spine. And we breathe deeply. Inhale, exhale. Although somehow I have a lot of energy today. Ooh, calm down, Marzina, calm down. Okay, good. Now let's turn to the side. We have lunge position. 90-degree point flex under the knee. We'll be dropping left knee down and up, engaging glutes, engaging quads. And I know you've seen this exercise before because this is day 14, so you've seen it. But let me tell you something, friends. Today we're taking this one to the next level. If for any reason next option is not gonna be possible today, don't worry about it. You're just gonna repeat this one 12 more times. Other than this, watch. 1 more knee here, then drop your knee down. Move your shoulders back above your hips, support on your knee, and continue those knee dips. We have 12, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, it burns. 4, ouch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. Oh boy, this is good. 1 more. Now plank position. Ouch. This plank almost feels like relief now after this. And now we're gonna climb the mountain. And I will torture you a bit longer today with this exercise. Although I need you to know that if you need to take a break, drop your knees down to the mat, take a breath in and out, and then try do some more. By some more, I mean 12 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Downward facing dog. Position from yoga that you already know. But listen, this one is with a little twist. Try touch your toe, come back, and touch your toe, and come back. Do it again. Exhale. Reach. You can reach to your knee first and up, and again touch. Come back. Keep going. If you need to slightly bend your knees, that's fine. 2 more. And last one. Not bad at all. Let's go back slowly, step by step. Bend your knees, support on your knees, and then roll your spine up. Was that amazing? Or what just happened? We have some more to do. Press and open, press and open, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, just 4, woohoo, and 3, 2, 1 more. Arms open, straight line from tippy toes, no, from fingertips to fingertips. Take this line to the other side and slide your fingers down toward your ankle. Hold that stretch. I don't know why I have so much energy today. I'm not faking it. It's insane. I almost have to calm down. Sometimes days are just like that, exciting for no reason at all. Oh, I know why. I met a lady at the pool today. Turn to your left lunge. That I haven't seen for years. She was taking my classes many years ago. It was a good chat. Okay, drop your knees down and up, down and up, down and up. Keep going. Down and engaging those quads right here. Squeeze it. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you know that this version has another version that's not so smiling friendly, but we're gonna try it no matter what, right? So here we go. Drop your knee down. Ouch. Okay, back straight, support on your knee. Lift up this knee over the mat with these muscles and these muscles. Are you ready? Go. Up. And we just need 12 like this, okay? Here we go. 1, butterfly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Plank position, of course. Ooh, let's climb the mountain. Right, left, right, left. Keep going, keep going. Remember to keep elbows slightly bent and possibly right above those wrists. Keep moving. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward facing dog. Press your heels down. Reach to your ankle. Come back. To the opposite ankle. Come back. 6 more. All right, I have good news. Knees are coming back to the mat. I have even better news. We come back down to the mat. Relax. Oh, this was good. Woo! All right, my friends. Now, we're gonna do a couple bicycles. Seems like many of you enjoy this movement a lot with a twist again, okay? So, firstly, bike-like moves, straightening up legs forward, 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 forward. I want you to contract those quads and feel the muscle. And breathe and breathe and breathe. Give me 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now completely different position. We are on all fours. Left leg, right arm forward, and now look. We're gonna open this position to the side and try pulse 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Get this plane on the line and switch leg. Right leg, the opposite arm. Whoop, to the side. Let's pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This plane is landing, my friends. Whoop. And here. Now we're gonna stretch. This time sitting on one side. Be gentle. Next, palm with knee and our heel in line, and we're gonna stretch the position all the way up and across. It's a beautiful position. Good. Same on the other side. Sit on the right, reach to the left. Again, palm in line with the knee and toe, reach up and then across. Ooh, sun is straight on my face. And bring it down. Well done, my friends. We are wrapping up this workout. It was quick, intensive Pilates routine, something you can squeeze to every day, even the most busy day. I'm kind of example of this today. I had really crazy day, and I did 15 minutes in the morning, and now I'm making this video for you in English, and we'll be done. Easy breezy. And we're gonna switch side. And I hope it was around 15 minutes. If more, don't worry. If less, we're gonna add it to the top of the next day. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Stay consistent. We're gonna have amazing results in just 2 weeks.